All right, hi guys. This is just me trying to give you a little bit of help doing the activity. So I am going to help you with number 1, and you are gonna continue doing the next ones. And I will also help with doing number 11 in time zones. And so the first one I want you to do is I want you to find the city based on the latitude and longitude given to you. So the first one is given is 43 and 30 minutes. 43 and 30 minutes north. So 43 is right there. And that little dash line, that is your 30 minutes. So I'm going to go up to the dash line right there. And then I'm going to find 76. There's my 76 up here. And I got to look for the dash line, which actually happens to be where 44 is, because there's a little cross mark. So I'm going to play a little game of Battleship and just match them together. Did I go too far? Yep. Okay. So when I did that, I ended up being right there, which just so happens to be Oswego. So what you are going to go and you're going to type over here and you're going to type in your answer, which should be Oswego. So I gave you one answer. Actually, we're going to go down to number 4. I'll help you with number 4 on that one. So scroll. It says latitude coordinates for Messina. So I'm going to find Messina. I can never find Messina. Messina's like way up there. Way up there. All right, and I got to do latitude. Flat is first. So flat, and as you can see, these are flat lines. I'm going to go all the way up. I see the closest one is 44. There's 44 and 30. It almost hits 45. So that one, you could write 44 degrees and 50 or 55. I would accept either. Inches. And then I'm going to look at number 5, your longitude. That's going to be the down. Remember the long ones. And I see it's closest to 75, but it doesn't hit 75. So it's 74. And there's the hashtag. It's almost 75. So I'd do that one 74 and like 50, 55 inches. Don't put 50, 55. Put either 50 or put 55 inches. And in inches is just the little dash mark. All right, and then I give you, I talk again about time zone. I give you that little refresher that every 15 degrees you go west, you go back an hour. Every 15 you go east, you go forward an hour. And so looking at number 1, you have, it is 12 noon at A. So it's 12 right here, and I got to go to B. So if this is 12, I'm just going to subtract 1, 11, 10. So it's either 10 or 10 a.m. I'd say 10 a.m. would be a better thing to put down. So you write in number 11, 10 a.m. Hopefully you don't have any more issues. Look at number 3 and number 4. It not only wants you to tell the time, but it also wants to give you a date, give me the date. So we start at Monday on both days. If it stays Monday, you can write Monday. If it goes to Tuesday, make sure you write Tuesday. If it goes back to Sunday, write Sunday. All right? So if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to ask me.